and welcome from KeyboardPush team. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about Zoom integration in live chat. Now you can create and send Zoom meeting invitation to your contacts on WhatsApp right from live chat. This allows you to quickly resolve more complex queries. I'm going to show how you can create and send Zoom meeting invitations. Here I am on Keyboard Chat on the WhatsApp platform. Go to live chat from main menu and select any contact. Over here you can see the Zoom icon. Click on the Zoom icon. The first time you click here, it will show you a message that you need to integrate Zoom with KeyboardPush through settings. Click on integrate. Here I am on settings, on Zoom integration. Click on connect, authorize the app. And here Zoom has been connected with KeyboardPush. You can connect up to 3 accounts here. If you're already logged into a Zoom account and you wish to connect a new Zoom account, you'll first have to go to Zoom and sign out from your currently signed in account. And then you can click here on connect new to connect a different account with KeyboardPush. Now we can go back to live chat. Click on live chat and click on any session. Click on Zoom. Select the Zoom account. Add a topic here and an agenda. This is the invitation message and you can customize this one. Invite URL here refers to the actual Zoom invitation URL that is generated and it is required inside the invitation message. This dialog box will not let you create a meeting without the invitation URL. You can append the invitation URL back from this icon. So I'm going to click on create an invite. The countdown will start and you will be redirected to the Zoom meeting in a new tab and the invitation message will be sent to the subscriber. Now, if you want to disconnect from Zoom integration from KeyboardPush, go back to settings, Zoom integration, and click on disconnect here. You will be redirected to Zoom where you should click here on uninstall, give a reason, and click on uninstall. You see the integration has been removed from here. So this is all about Zoom integrations in live chat. I'm sure it will be a great add-on for your customer support activities on WhatsApp. Have a nice day. Stay connected with KeyboardPush. Thank you.